Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol EKSO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I let you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, and I've been doing it on a pretty routine basis. So that is where the green and red line annotations here are coming from. But after today's very nice price movement, once again, some updates definitely need to be made. And the first thing I'm going to do is house clean, which I believe I had to do yesterday too. But I'm going to go ahead and delete that green line out of there. Sure, it still pertains to the chart, but it's not really relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion with clutter because there's lines all over the place. So I just want to try to keep this as clean as possible. So again, yeah, that line pertains. Just going to keep it out right now for the sake of cleanness. First level of resistance, or excuse me, first update I should say, comes in the form of this level of resistance and is based on the rule that states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 310 was an area of resistance going into today, but now that the price is broken up above it, this would be one of the newest areas of support. A bit more of a near-term level of support, going to call right here at the $3.60 mark. Ideally speaking, at 360, if the price can stay above it, that would be a huge sign of power. But if the price does fall below it, not the end of the world or anything like that, because you still do have the 310 mark. And then from the big picture, as I've talked about before, and we'll continue to talk about, from a very simplistic point of view in terms of the current price movement, just use that purple line there if you're curious about more so the overall health of the price, meaning as long as the price stays above that purple line, the 50-period simple moving average, so that line will move higher and higher over time. So as long as the price stays above it, then the overall health of the price movement is 100% in the bull's favor. Again, if the price can stay up above 360 or 310, that would be perfect. But from the grand scope of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the overall trend is fully in the bull's favor. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, public enemy number one going into tomorrow right up there around the $4.55 mark. But really, at the end of the day, any way you slice it, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing in terms of building higher bases, then the chart is going to continue to take care of itself like it's been doing. So resistance levels matter, yes, but if the price keeps on putting in higher bases, then those resistance levels don't stand a chance, and this uptrend will just keep on gaining steam. So another nice day today. We'll see how it continues to unfold.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.